All right, guys, I'm about to teach her how to drive. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm scared. All right, I'm scared. Don't hurt my car. All right. They're like, are you vlogging? All right, I'm gonna grab my other camera. All right, actually, let's do this. So, now, put your foot on the brake.
This, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What is
Your
this?
left foot doesn't do anything. That's the
What is
gas.
this?
That's the gas.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Why it's too far?
So your left foot doesn't do anything. You just rest it there.
It's far.
Well, there's a slide on the side. No, no, no.
Yeah, what?
Just push it this way. Don't push it up.
Ah, okay.
Stop.
What?
You just...
Okay, okay.
Good?
Okay.
Can you reach the pedals?
Yeah.
All right, so don't do nothing with your left leg.
Okay.
Just do,
Okay, I'm here.
yeah, gas and brake.
Okay.
Now, push the brake. You're gonna put it into drive. Squeeze the little thing here.
How?
You gotta press the brake.
Ah.
Hold the brake, wait. Yeah, put it in drive. Now, let off the brake, brake. See that? Now, you can give it a little bit of gas. Stop. All right. Now, if you ever starting to lose control, just hit that brake, okay? Now you're gonna go that way.
Where?
You're gonna follow the road, yeah. You could give it a little bit of gas. It's sensitive. There you go. Just stay on the road. Stay between the lines.
It was sensitive.
Come on, come on. Give it some gas. So you're doing it. Oh, that guy has a cool toy to play with. Yeah. Now give it some more gas. Slow down. Now let off the gas. Just let off the gas. Hover over the brake. Oh my god. Hover over the brake. Park in between the lines.
This?
Now hover the brake. Hover the brake.
I don't know.
Okay, I said between the lines. So stop. Stop. Okay, park. Stop. Stop. You gotta hold the brake. Put it in park. Okay. Just stop. Just
Yeah. Yeah.
stay there. That is not in between the lines. Jesus.
I didn't know.
You didn't know. Okay, now put it in reverse. You always hold the brake when you want to change gears. In reverse. Now you're gonna want to go that way. You're on the wrong side of the road. Get on that side.
Wait. Wait, no, wait. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
This is scary. Oh.
Jesus.
Sorry. Sorry.
Now I'm gonna have you turn around again.
This is super sensitive.
Yeah. Now make this turn and then gas it.
Yeah.
Gas it. Go. Floor it. Floor it. That's not flooring it.
What?
Alright, slow down, slow down, slow down. Brake. 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 Now I want you to park in the same spot again. This time, in between the lines.
Between the lines?
Yeah. What would you do if there was cars here? Can't be over here. Amy, park.
Being.
Park. Back straight up. Back into that parking lot. Back into that parking spot. Use the cameras. It's opposite.
So.
I said park between those two lines.
How? I can't.
Okay.
Can I park there?
Yeah, now
instead?
pull forward. Park between the straight lines. Easy, easy, easy. Slow down. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Slow down. Easy on the brakes. A little more, a little more. Stop.
How do you know when you could stop? Well, you know that's.
Well, yeah, because I know the car. I know the length of my car. What are you doing? You do good. Stop. Stop.
I am stopping.
No, you're letting off the brake. You're not in park.
Okay.
Park. Now reverse it and park in the parking spot behind you. Come on. It's easy. You have this. When I was learning how to drive, I didn't have to do this. I had to use my mirrors and my reverse.
Well, you know how to drive me. I don't.
I didn't know how to drive when I was learning how to drive. You're learning. Not that you know, I want you to park in that parking spot.
The second one?
Yeah, not the one straight ahead, but that one.
Where I was parking?
No. You just
The
parked in
next
that one. Yeah, I want you to park in that one. Good. A little more.
No, I don't want to.
Okay.
Do you think?
Yeah.
You think
Park.
it's good?
Park. Put in park. Make sure it's always in park. Let off the gas.
Yeah, I did.
I want to make sure that's in there.
Can
Get
I
out.
see it?
Yeah, get out and look. Get out and look. Yay! My car's so tiny, I mean, it's pretty easy to park anywhere. Awesome. Now there's a van coming, so wait.
Oh my god. It's so sensitive,
Don't-
this one.
Don't forget to breathe.
How do you know how to drive?
What do you mean?
How do you know? Where did you learn?
Practice. I just got a permit and started driving the roads.
How you got the permit?
You have to take a test and then drive with a cop. And they'll give you a permit. Temporary license.
Yeah, but how did you learn very first? Like, very beginning?
My mom drove me around. Well, I stole my mom's car a few times too, but yeah, she'll tell you all about it. Okay, there's people there, but you should be safe now. Throw it in reverse. And you want to go that way, right? So you want your car to do this.
Yeah.
So you're going to turn the wheel to the right. Because you want the back end
Yeah, like
to
that.
go to the right, yeah. Throw it in reverse. You could use the monitor. You better turn quickly. There you go. Now stop. You're good. Straighten out before you start. Let off the brake. Okay. Stay to the right. I want you to turn wide. There's always an invisible line in the road. You always want to be on the right side. Go. Get over to the right more. I'll show you where to park. Don't be afraid to turn that wheel sharp. Now make a sharp left right now. Sharp left. Left. Park straight ahead. In between the lines. Keep going. Stop. Park. Good job. Yay. I know, you weren't breathing. You'll get more used to it. You'll get more relaxed. I'll keep taking you places. You didn't kill us. We're still alive.
Come on.
The car's nice. You didn't hurt the car or us.
I hope I won't get to that point, like I'm gonna wreck your car.
No. You just need to get comfortable with it so your anxiety isn't high and your blood and heart's not. You're fine. You did good.
It's so sensitive, like even just like that.
I know. Good job. Switch. Yeah, just always make sure it's in park.
Yeah, well, I didn't make it in the middle, but
Thanks for not killing us.
babe, I don't know how to drive. It's my it's my first time. Jesus.
Alright, don't do this at home. Don't vlog and drive, but... So, you happy?
Yeah.
That's good.
My hands are cold.
First driving lesson was a success. Good job, baby. I'm proud of you.